Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Castle TV app on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once it's open, tap the search bar, type Castle TV, and hit search. You'll see a list of apps related to your search. Look for the correct Castle TV app. You can identify it by checking the app icon and the number of downloads. Once you've found the right one, tap on it to open the app page. Then, tap the Install button to start downloading. The download time may vary depending on your internet connection, so just give it a moment. After the installation is complete, the Castle TV app will be ready to use on your device. And that's it! Now you know how to install the Castle TV app on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.